You know that feeling when you get the sense that somebody has really heard and understood you, or if they didn't understand, they brought this sort of sense of curiosity, and you walk away just feeling like, oh, I matter, I'm valued. This person leaned toward me, not away from me. It feels good, doesn't it? And it also, believe it or not, is one of the ways that we can change the neural network patterns that tell us we're not enough or we're too much, is to have relationships like that. People who will really be there with us and lean in, not away. This is a key component of the neuroRelational change model. And it's something that I'm going to be teaching people at the NeuroRelational Change Summit that's coming up in September. I will be offering a skills lab. There's a short version that will be offered during the main conference. You'll get a quick overview of the skills and how they fit within the model. We'll have opportunities for you to be able to practice some skills. So you'll walk away with a few skills that you can apply to any type of model that you happen to be using. And you don't even have to be a professional coach, counselor to use these skills. You can use them in any context where you might be connecting with others. Then on Friday at the pre-conference, that is where I'm going to be offering an all-day skills lab. We're going to roll up our sleeves. We're going to dive in. We're going to really understand the model, the skills. You're going to get lots of hands-on opportunity to practice the skills so you can feel what it's like to receive it, but also get practice using the skills. So I really look forward to being there at the Neurorelational Change Summit with you. Yeah, can't wait.